Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the environment. Install Gnome tweaks and the user themes extension so you can change the shell theme. Once done, place downloaded theme folders into /. Themes for your account or /usr/share/themes for everyone. After copying files, restart Gnome shell with Alt plus F2 then R, or simply log out and back in. This ensures the shell scans the new theme directories. Make sure file ownership and permissions match your user, so the shell can read theme assets. You now apply and tune the theme in Gnome tweaks. Go to Appearance, then set the shell theme to the folder you installed. If the shell looks off, also pick matching GTK and icon themes to keep visuals consistent. Once applied, inspect panels, notifications, and the overview. Some themes require companion extensions like dash or panel tweaks for full effect. If something misaligns, disable conflicting extensions and re-enable them in order so the shell renders the theme correctly. Finish by clearing caches and confirming compatibility. Remove Gnome shell caches in /. Cache related to themes and restart the session to force a fresh load. If the theme still fails, inspect its metadata. JSON for the Gnome shell version it supports. Older themes often break on newer shells. As a troubleshooting tip, try a different Gnome-compatible theme or temporarily disable other shell extensions to isolate conflicts. If needed, reinstall the user themes extension and reapply. The order of extensions can affect rendering.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.